Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on driving mode in our modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So first we need to go to settings and our modes and routines are here. Here's our driving mode. It's not set up, this is just a default mode. We can customize it. Let's start. We can choose our Bluetooth devices if we have any. We can auto connect. Next, do we want automatically our mode to turn on do not disturb or not? Let's say we want. Next, we have a few more options here that we want that we can change, and done. And now our driving mode is more or less set up. Of course, we can change from our manual turning on or off if we need to. We can choose automatic car mode if we need to also. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.